But tonight our breaking news that's coming in at the top continues to be this time the manner in which the Narcotics Control Bureau is now gunning for Bollywood. The NCB sources are saying they are likely to call actor Deepika Padukone for questioning. Deepika's manager Karishma Prakash skipped questioning today. The NCB has also summoned one of the talent managers, Jaya Saha, for a third straight day. She's likely to be confronted with a producer who has claimed that Jaya was organizing the drugs for different film stars. Let's go straight to our correspondent Munish Pandey, who's joining us. Munish, what is happening here? The NCB has gone far away from the Sushant case and every day is coming up with a new star's name. Was this the mandate of the NCB? Where does this leave the Sushant case? Is it now simply going to call every actor whose name comes up in a WhatsApp chat?
Yeah, well, Rajdeep, this is a million-dollar question. This main probe by the Central Bureau of Investigation was limited to Sushant Singh Rajput death case, but then it went to Enforcement Directorate. They came across certain chats. It was not related to money laundering, but drug chats. And that is when the Narcotics Control Bureau entered into action, and then they lodged 2 FIRs, one in connection to Riya Chakravarti drug connection and second in connection to overall Bollywood drug cartel. As far as today's investigation, or maybe we can say from last 1 week, what NCB is doing, that when they are summoning anyone for questioning, then they are taking data dump from the mobile phone, and during the data dump they are retrieving all the old deleted messages. Now they are calling everyone who has appeared in those messages talking about drugs. Now Deepika Padukone's name has surfaced. There are many other celebrities which NCB claims that they will be calling on the basis of WhatsApp chats. Remember here, Rajdeep, what is important is that as far as evidence is concerned, there is only electronic evidence, WhatsApp chats, where there are people talking about whether they have hash or weed or not. But as far as the main investigation of Sushant Singh Rajput death case is concerned, in that investigation, nothing has happened from last 2 weeks. Riya Chakravarti is arrested, but again, in drug case, not in connection to Sushant Singh Rajput death case, and CBI is still waiting for some evidence which can point anything against Riya Chakravarti or anyone else.
Okay, Munish Pandey saying that this NCB, India's premier anti-narcotics agency, is simply now doing dumps of various phone recorded conversations and thereby trying to see if there is a Bollywood cartel involved in drugs.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.